I have some Jimmy Dean hickory smoked bacon. And I trim the ends off. There's a little fat here, a little fat here. So we just trim it off. And I'm cooking bacon on pans like this in the oven. I find is the best way. This is 3/4 of a pound. And when we're using 3/4 of a pound, for some reason, it'll all fit. Not like when we do a pound. And I take the bacon and I alternate it. And then I'll bake it. And all that grease, I save that grease. Sometimes I cook with it. I got a friend with a dog. Take that grease and put it in their dry food. They inhale their dry food. Pretty easy breezy. Because we got all that extra room, we'll just throw them up and down the sides. Bacon made easy. In the old days, people used to throw it on a frying pan. This is the easiest way to make bacon, hands down. My dinner. Love you.